Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Simple Trade with Patience. Welcome to the analysis of Nifty and Banknifty. Well, friends, before we go ahead into the detailed analysis of each of the indices, let's take a look at their performance on the daily time frame. Now, if you take a look at Nifty, it has formed an indecisive candle, and that presented a lot of volatile session today in terms of Nifty's expiry and in terms of the premium moving. Similar movement could be seen on Bank Nifty side also, another indecisive candle with a lot of volatility when it came to trading options. So this is going to happen. This would continue for another few days more. A lot of factors which are affecting this, lot of events which are taking place. One such event could be the presentation of the disclosure of the electoral bonds. So there are a lot of things which are happening, and I would advise you to be careful and be cautious. Book your profits early as soon as you get a chance. If you've decided a profit, just decide your profit before taking a trade and exit at that, because the market would not give you a chance to really book your profits from the higher levels. It's that volatile. So let us go ahead and take a look at Nifty. So we'll begin with the analysis of Nifty first. Now, if you take a look at Nifty, which has been, in a good move. So how did this move work out today? Now, if we take a look at Nifty, now, let me just increase this a little bit. Okay. Now, this was Nifty's move compared to yesterday. So we had a double bottom pattern being confirmed on Nifty's movement. Now, what happened? Nifty opened lower than yesterday's close. It opened below this level of the double bottom entry. Now, it moved up once again, and from there on, it started its downward movement. So since we had a chance, we entered Nifty on the put side right in the morning self in the first half an hour, and we could make use of a good movement in Nifty, making lower lows for the day. Finally, when it made the bottom low, we had an opportunity to trade Nifty on a double bottom pattern. Not a great move, but yes, the indices gave a good movement. We could book around 20 to 30 points on the call side. Similar kind of move was seen in Bank Nifty. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bank Nifty. Now, here's what happened in Bank Nifty. This was yesterday's low for Bank Nifty. This was a kind of support level for Bank Nifty. Now, in the morning itself, on the opening, it opened above the low, tested the low, and moved up. Now, after moving up, it retested yesterday's low. This presented us with a put option on Bank Nifty, and we could take some profits. Now, after this, what happened? Bank Nifty also presented us with you could call this as a triple bottom or a double bottom, whichever way you could take it. This was one bottom, second bottom, and the third bottom. So this is where we entered Bank Nifty, which gave us around about 100 to 150 points. on the call side. So good movements, you need to be very quick but in booking your profits, and that's what we could do. And I'm very happy that everyone who traded with me had a good time. Now moving to tomorrow's levels, I'll just clear this. Now if we take a look at tomorrow's levels, okay, just give me a moment. Yeah. So now if we take a look at this, now we have Nifty over its 50-day moving average, which is placed at 21,858. Then we have 100 EMA, which is placed at 21,299. And we have 200 EMA, which is placed at 2445. Now today's closing of Nifty, which is at 22,023, which is above our 50 EMA. So the short-term trend would still present some bullish opportunities, which you could take, you could make use of it, take that opportunity and book your profits as soon as you can. So decide your trade prior, in a sense, what's your stop loss, what's going to be your target price, and execute it. On the other side, if you take a look at the 100 EMA and 200 EMA, Nifty still remains in a positive view over the medium term and long term perspective. So what would be a good level for Nifty now? For Nifty to be in a good level, we need Nifty to be above 22,036 for a possible bullish view, bullish moment. And if Nifty has to find itself in a bearish trend, then we need Nifty to be below 21,949 for a possible bearish movement. Okay. Resistances are placed at 2219, 22,215, 22,308. Supports are placed at 21,930, 21,836, and 21,741. On the other side, we could see Bank Nifty, which has a closing at 46,594. Now here we have Bank Nifty's 50 EMA at 46,604. Now the closing price is just below this level. So the short-term trend, if continues, could be turning into a downward trend, and it could affect the lower side, that is the 100 EMA, and we could have a bearish moment coming in the near future. So the 100 EMA, which is standing at 46,125, would be an important level to watch out for a bearish movement. And on the bullish front, you could watch out for the 50 EMA, which is at 46,604. The 200 EMA still holding at a good price, which is 45,141. So that's still a long way to go, but you never know what kind of moves the market could give you. So taking a look at what can be expected on Bank Nifty's front. So as long as Bank Nifty remains above 46,616, we could be in for a bullish moment. Yes, you could get these bullish moments. But you need to be quick in booking your profits. On the bearish front, if Bank Nifty remains below 46,594, we could have a possible bearish movement. Now, resistance levels which are being placed at 46,828, 47,061, 47,320. Supports which are placed at 46,336, 46,077, 45,844. Well, support 1 and resistance 1 would play an important role depending on the opening and the possible bullish and bearish levels. Similarly, for Nifty, support 1 and resistance 1 would play an important role. Now, inside these levels, I would suggest you not to trade unless and until we have some patterns or a reversal candlestick patterns being formed. So that's all from my side. I would advise you to be cautious and trade safe, be safe, have a nice time. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can get back to me. My email address is posted in the description. You can get back to me for any of your doubts, or if you want any levels, you can get in touch with me. For live trading, yes, I do conduct live trading sessions, so you can be a part of the live trading session also. Please do get in touch with me. Thank you guys. Thank you once again. Have a nice day and all the best. Have a great weekend.